ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ, ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ವೀಕ್ಷಿತಾ ಪದ್ಮಶಾಲಿ and welcome to my YouTube channel. Alright, so ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಗೆ today's video is going to be about simple makeup that all the girls out there can do easily even if you are a beginner. So before we start this video, firstly, thank you so much everyone out there for all your love, support and motivation. It truly means a lot. Soon we are going to reach 1,000 and that's like a big hit for me. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಜೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀರಾ. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನೇ ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಪಿರಿಟ್.
Sorry for that. Train.
I'm currently shooting in my balcony and I figured that this is the best place to shoot. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿರೋ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆ and what better than this, ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಹೋಗೋ ನಾಯ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತು, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳು ಕೂಗೋ ಶಬ್ದ ಕೇಳುತ್ತೆ, ಗಾಳಿ ಶಬ್ದ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ಮೈನರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟರ್ಬೆನ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಮೇನ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಟುಡೇಸ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ, ಒಂದು ಹೇಳೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋನ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ ಎನಿ ಲಕ್ಸುರಿ or premium products, I would say. I don't own any of those, but I'm going to use very simple, economical, budget friendly products because I have only those kind of products with me and they do a great job. I am very nervous for this video because this is the first time I'm ever doing a makeup tutorial kind of a video and I'm really nervous how this is going to work. Your thoughts in the comment sections would really mean a lot for this anta helta. Also disclaimer, don't judge by seeing my makeup because like my eyeshadow palette or the blush palette could be a little broken here and there because I use them so much. Okay, so before we start the actual makeup game, my hair needs to be set alva. So ta-da! So here's my look. So I'm all prepped up to start the makeup. Very nervous, but let's just do this. Tip number 1, I always prefer to tie my hair high up because I don't like any disturbance when I'm doing my makeup, right? Also, if you're wondering that I already have some makeup on my face, no. And ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ lipstick ಇದೆ and light eyeshadow ಇದೆ just so that I look a little presentable at the opening take. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ there's nothing else. So let's start with the first thing, toner. So this is the Beauty Coast toner that I'm using to take any dirt or unwanted residue that I have on my face. So the next thing that I use is a moisturizer. Today I'm using the L'Oreal Paris moisturizer, but it's fine. Any moisturizer na use marbodu as long as you're comfortable with it. So here. I really have a dry skin, hence I use a little more quantity of moisturizer on my face. Next up, ನಾನು CC cream and BB cream na use ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. This one's from Maybelline and this one's from Lakme. Since I'm doing a light coverage makeup, I'm not going to use a primer. I'm not going to use a heavy foundation. But these products which are used on a daily basis by most of us maybe. So yeah. This is how the color looks like. This is the Maybelline one and idu Lakme product. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ವೆನ್ ಐ ಬ್ಲೆಂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ ದೆಮ್ ಟುಗೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೈ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಟೋನ್. ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಯುವರ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್. ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. Now this is a very old brush that I have, but I love this brush. It's not any branded brush, it's a very normal brush, but it is so good. It does a good job for me. So idu ನನ್ನ favorite brush. So blending time. I'm not going to use a concealer because it's clearly a light coverage everyday makeup. So yeah, I'm just going to powder my face a little bit, very little bit lightly, just so that I don't sweat. Chubby cheeks, hence I have to do contouring no matter what. So here goes the contour and I'm using the Maybelline's We Face Duo Stick. This has a contour on one side and highlighter on the other side. So it's really good. And let's try this out today. And the reason I'm looking down and to the camera is because I do have a mirror, and considering this is my first time, mirror na nodle bekagate. I'm going to use the same brush and do my contouring. Contouring marbekadre, make sure you always take it upwards like this. So yeah, I am not a makeup expert, but yes, baby cream check, little bit of powder check. So contouring ಆಯ್ತು. Next step blush ಹಾಕೋಣ. So blush palette is really not in a good condition to not judge, but yes, this is how it is, and I've been using this palette has helped me a lot. This is from Miss Claire. I'm going to mix two shades today. So now comes the time where we can play with a lot of colors. Eyeshadow time. Yes, ನಾನು generally use ಮಾಡೋದು ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೇಕಪ್ ರೆವಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅವರ ರಿಡೆಂಪ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಲೆಟ್ ಐಕಾನಿಕ್ 3. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವೆರಿ ಸಟಲ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್ ಪಿಗ್ಮೆಂಟೇಷನ್.
Since today's outfit is going to be little fly just come and go. But anyways.
Since today's outfit is a little colorful, I want to experiment with colors. Let's see. Honestly, I'm also playing with colors in front of camera. I don't know how much of this is going to work, but let's just play and have some fun. So if you can see this line, this is the crease line. So adru mele I'm going to add a very light shade, not too light, but a little skin tone shade na color martini. Adru ಕೆಳಗಡೆ I'm going to add a little orange shade and mixing it with a little bit of pink. So is this what I'm going to do? Let's see how the outcome is going to be. And for this I'm going to look down because I need to see the mirror. Otherwise I can just look like a joker. As it is, I'm not an expert. And then looking at the camera like a pro. What is this? So outline agide, I've given a decent wing shape. Now it's time to fill in the rest of the place. So for this, ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು Makeup Revolution's Amplified 35 palette, and I'm mixing these two shades ಇದಕ್ಕೆ to give that subtle orange shade, because I clearly don't have a dark orange shade with me as of now, and I don't even have a proper pink here. Maybe I have to look in another palette. So yeah, let's get started. It's time to highlight the inner corners of my eyes, so let's do it. I'm using the Lakme Basic Kajal. ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಲೈಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹಚ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, if you can see it. It's only that I've concentrated on my eyes and done a little bit of work. Otherwise, trust me, normal agi, basic agi, bronze color hakadre, that's the best thing to do, because it'll suit any of your outfits. Because today I wanted to have some color, so there is a tinge of orange and pink there. Otherwise, so I'm using the Lakme's Absolute Shine eyeliner. So this is the best. ಇದರ ಬ್ರಷ್ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿದೆ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇದರ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಕೂಡ ತುಂಬಾ ಈಸಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. I'm going to use the Maybelline's mascara to do my eyebrows and my eyelashes. So let's do it very quickly. अब जो भी एक्स्ट्रा बचा है इसमें, आई एम गोइंग टू यूज दैट फॉर माय आईब्रोज. I like doing it this way because it works for every day. Just use this mascara just for your eyebrows. Done. Now let's start with the lipstick. I'm going to apply two shades. I don't know how these two shades are going to look together. Also, this is one of my favorite lipstick. I got this from L'Oreal Paris. This is in the shade I Am Worth It 115, and it's absolutely perfect red. Amazing long lasting stay and very lightweight. I'm also using a lip liner to outline. You can see how chotu this is. This shows how much of it I must have already used. So let's finish. And one last thing to apply, and that is highlighter, my most favorite thing. I love playing with highlighter, so let's start. I like overdoing it because it's just nice. So highlighter hakana. Wow, that's a lot. I'm done with the full makeup. So last thing that I have to do is use a makeup fixing spray, and this is by Faces Canada. It is superb. Let's go. ಸೊ ಇದು ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಸ್ಪ್ರೇ ಹಾಕಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮುಖದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ವಾಟರ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ವಿದಿನ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅದು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬ್ಸಲ್ಯೂಟ್ಲಿ ಫೈನ್. ಫೈನಲಿ ಡನ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಮೇಕಪ್ ಆಯಿತು, ಬಟ್ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋಣ ಬಿ ಮೈ ಔಟ್ಫಿಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾವ ಜ್ಯುವೆಲ್ರೀಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಕ್ವಿಕ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಗೋ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕಮ್. Video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making this one for you guys out there. I'll see you guys soon in yet another video. Until then, if you like this video, please make sure you hit like, subscribe, the most important thing, and click on the bell icon so that you can see all my upcoming videos anta helta. ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರೀತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೋಟಿವೇಶನ್ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಲುಕ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಮಿ ಟು ರೀಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಸಚ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್. ಐ ವುಡ್ ಲವ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆರಿಮೆಂಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಯು ಗೈಸ್. ಐಲ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ವೆರಿ 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 ಸೂನ್ ಯೆಟ್ ಅನದರ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ. ಅಂಟಿಲ್ ದೆನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್. ಟಾಟಾ, ಬಾಯ್.